We had an empty building. We needed to outfit the entire building from the warehouse to the mechanical shop to the ice technician shop.
We had a need to be filled there, and J&J was able to help us with that. We've been disappointed with a lot of vendors. They want to be in on a new facility like this. They promise you the world, but when you actually need them, the response hasn't been the greatest.
They showed a strong interest. They made several trips down, site visits, and they just seemed genuinely interested in wanting to do the project for us.
We didn't have any space for a tool room, but our ceilings were very high. So we wanted a mezzanine to put all of our tools up there. I didn't know exactly what I wanted at the time, but working with J&J, they had some options. They helped us match exactly the product to what we were looking to build.
I don't have to do the competitive shopping anymore, competitive pricing, competitive bidding. I have my go-to. I know it's going to get done, and I have no worries.